What is happening in your body while you're asleep? Forget all those while others were asleep. I made 10 billion people. The truth is that as human beings, we spend 1/3 of our lives asleep. Now that's a long time to be sleeping, but why is it this way? Sleep is important for good health. In fact, we need sleep to survive. So it is just as important as food and water. But not all sleep are the same. While you're asleep, your brain cycles through 2 different cycles of sleep. You have the REM, rapid eye movement sleep, and non-REM sleep. The first is the REM sleep, which is composed of 4 stages. Stage 1 is short. It is when you start dozing off into sleep. In stage 2, the body and the mind slows down and you settle into the sleep. It is easiest to be awoken during these first 2 stages. The third and fourth stage are the deep sleep. Then we go into the second sleep cycle, which is the REM sleep. During this cycle, the eyes move rapidly behind closed lids and brain waves are similar to when you are awake. In REM, your breath rate increases and the body becomes temporarily paralyzed, and that's when you dream. The brain cycles these 2 repeatedly, and with each cycle, you spend less time in the non-REM and more time in the REM sleep. On a typical night, you can cycle through 4 or 5 times. But whether it is REM or non-REM, when we sleep, our brain stores new information and gets rid of toxic waste. Nerve cells communicate and reorganize, supporting healthy brain function. The body repairs cells, restores energy, and releases molecules like hormones and proteins. Your body undergoes a series of changes that are vital to your overall health. Your brain and your body slows down and engages in the process of promoting better physical and mental performance the next day and over the long term. Sleep plays an important role in regulating the production of numerous hormones such as melatonin, which helps promote sleep, growth hormone, which supports bone and muscle development as well as metabolism, cortisol, which is part of the body's stress response system, leptin and ghrelin, which helps control appetite. Hormone levels fluctuate during different sleep stages, and quality of sleep may also affect daytime hormone production. I hope this is not complicated. I just want you to understand that your body is a machine, and as it's working, as you are awake, as you are sleeping, a lot of work are working. So if you are not sleeping, you are not even supporting the work that it has to do when you are awake. So instead of skipping sleep to make a few extra bucks, give yourself a few hours of rest, if not for anything but to give your brain time to refresh and restore. That money where you dey find, if you die now, person will no work for and go squander am. Sleep.